In this video, I will show the basics of inserting bars. I will insert the bars in plane free mode in the front view, i.e. the ZX plane. I will insert several bars in the workspace of the program. I will focus mainly on showing the actions that need to be done when inserting bars. Therefore, let's not focus too much attention on the location of the inserted bars. In addition, in the lower right corner, I will turn off the Snap to Grid mode. Click the left mouse button on the button and set the Snap to Grid button to the off position. The button that activates the Insert Bar command is located on the toolbar. This button is an expandable button. I click the left mouse button on the expansion marker and display a list of available options. We have two options to choose from: joint, joint, and fixed, fixed. I click the left mouse button on the option joint, joint. The program started the command to insert an articulated bar. I move the mouse cursor to the program workspace. The information "Select the starting point of the bar" has appeared next to the cursor. The program waits for the indication of the starting point of the bar. I indicate with the left mouse button the starting point of the bar on the screen. Now a new message asking us to select the endpoint has appeared in the workspace. The program waits for the bar endpoint to be indicated. I move the mouse cursor to the new location and click the left mouse button and indicate the endpoint of the bar. The first bar was inserted. Now the message "Select the endpoint of the bar" has reappeared in the workspace. The endpoint of the first bar automatically becomes the starting point of the next bar. In this way, I can draw a string of several bars. I indicate with the left mouse button the endpoint of the bar. The second bar was inserted. I point with the left mouse button to another point and insert the third bar. I press Escape. Now let's note that the information "Select the start point of the bar" appeared next to the cursor. I stopped drawing a string of bars, but did not finish the command to insert a bar. Now I can indicate the starting point of a new bar with the left mouse button. I indicate the starting point of the bar, then, according to the prompt, I indicate with the left mouse button the endpoint of the bar. I can point to the next points and draw a string of bars. I point with the left mouse button and insert another bar. I point with the left mouse button to the next endpoint and insert another bar. I press the Escape key and stop drawing a string of bars. I press Escape a second time and finish the bar drawing command. I go to the toolbar and I expand the Insert Bar button and now select the Fixed, Fixed option. After selecting this option, I can insert a fixed bar. I move the mouse cursor to the program workspace. The information "Select the start point of the bar" appeared next to the cursor. I indicate the starting point of the bar with the left mouse button on the screen. Now a new message "Point to the bar endpoint" has appeared in the workspace. I move the mouse cursor to the new location and click the left mouse button and indicate the endpoint of the bar. The bar has been inserted. Now the message "Select the endpoint" has reappeared in the workspace. I indicate with the left mouse button the endpoint of the bar. The second bar was inserted. I point with the left mouse button to another point and insert the third bar. I press Escape twice and finish the command to insert a bar. In the workspace, I have bars inserted using the joint command and bars inserted using the fixed command. Between the bars that I inserted using the fixed function, a square filled with red appeared. The red square symbolizes that the connection between the bars is rigid. A ball symbol appeared between the bars that were inserted using the joint function. The ball symbolizes that the connection between the bars is articulated. The joint is characterized by the fact that it allows mutual rotation of the connected bars in 3 planes. In the program, the bars in the structure can be connected to each other in a fixed or articulated way. At any time, I can change the type of connection between the bars. To change the connection between bars, select the bars and the node between the bars. Then, on the Geometry tab, in the Joint section, choose Join Bars or Detach Bars. I will select 2 bars in the workspace and a node between them. Between the marked bars, we have an articulated connection. I go to the Geometry tab and click on the Connect Bars button. The connection between the bars has changed, and now the bars are rigidly connected to each other. Again, I will select the same 2 bars and the node between them. I go to the Geometry tab and click on the Detach Bars button. The connection between the bars has changed, and now the bars are connected to each other in an articulated way. Therefore, I can change the type of connection between the bars at any time. Now I will select all the bars in the working area of the program. I select Ctrl and A on my keyboard. I select the Delete key and delete all bars from the program workspace.